Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can track order on Shein. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. To track your orders on Shein, begin by logging into your Shein account, and once you're logged in, navigate to My Order section, or you can start by searching Shein Order Tracking in the preferred web browser. If you can't find this button on Shein, then open up the new tab on your preferred browser and search for Shein Order Trackers. Now click on the first site that show up and you will be brought to this page. Paste the tracking number in the search bar and click on Track Order. Shein typically provides a tracking number or link that you can use to track your order's progress. Make sure to check the tracking information regularly to stay updated or any changes or delivery update. And that's how you can track orders on Shein. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.